Lots of people tell me how scared they are cooking seafood at home. And I think today I'm going to change your mind with my roasted salmon with a Lemony salsa verde. Start with a dish that's going to snugly fit your side of salmon. And I've just got some olive oil, some sliced shallots and lemon. And then we're just going to put our side of salmon straight on top. I've got the zest of a lemon and half an orange. And then another drizzle of olive oil. Season it with some salt. Finish with a little bit of cracked pepper. So I'm going to pop this into a 125-degree oven for around 30 minutes. While that's cooking, we're just going to get on and make our Lemony salsa verde. So we're just going to start with some more lemon and orange zest. We're going to add 1 chopped shallot, a few garlic cloves, roughly chopped chives. Then we're going to add a mix of flat leaf parsley, mint, coriander. Basically any soft herbs that you have will work beautifully with this. Generous slug of olive oil. Now you don't want to over blitz it because you still want to get some of that herby texture. Then just pour it straight into a bowl. The salmon is cooked to perfection. This is exactly the colour that you want. It's peachy, not too white that shows that it's overcooked, and not so pink that the fish could tell you where it was swimming yesterday. And we just dress it with a little bit of the salsa verde and then finish with some fried capers. It's got everything you want. It's acidic, it's sweet, it's crunchy, it's salty. That is my salmon with Lemony salsa verde.